Welcome, my dear Goinkans, to the GK class. I hope you all are fine. So, in today's GK class, we will start with a new exercise, that is national games. It's on page number 33. My dear Goinkans, every country has its own national game, and any sports or game is designated as a national game of the country either on the basis of its popularity or based on its historical connection with that country. So in this exercise, what you have to do is you have to recognize the following games and write their names in the given blank spaces. You may use the help box. Alright, we are given with the name of the country. We have to recognize their national game. So let's get started. First one is India. So the game that is given here is hockey. So the national game of India is hockey. So you all will write down hockey in the space provided. Second one is England. And the national game of England is cricket. So you all will write down cricket in the space provided. Okay. Third one is New Zealand. What is the national game of New Zealand? It's rugby. Make sure you all will write down rugby in the space provided. Rugby is the national game of New Zealand because of its popularity in the country. Fourth one is Argentina. And what's the national game of Argentina? It's football. So you all will write down football in the space provided. You all know the world famous footballer Messi also belongs to this country. Fifth one is USA, and the national game of United States of America is baseball. So you all will write down baseball in the space provided. Baseball. Okay. Next one is China. What is the national game of China? The national game of China is none other table tennis. So you all will write down table tennis in the space provided. Table tennis is the national game of China. Can you guess what's the national game of Canada? Yes, it's ice hockey. It's the winter game and it's the national game of Canada. Ice hockey. And the last one is Korea. And which game is it? The national game of Korea is Taekwondo. So you all will write down Taekwondo in the space provided. Taekwondo. It's the national game of Korea. Alright, my dear Goinkans, this was all about national games of some countries. I'll get back to you with another session. Till then, stay safe and take care.